Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with Piaget theory of cognitive development. I have prepared a chart for it and I will be helping you out in learning the Piaget theory of cognitive development easily so that you can write in your exams, and it will help you a lot in your competitive exams also, like CTET, SuperTET, everywhere. So have a look at it. Jean Piaget. It was developed by Jean Piaget, who lived from 1896 to 1980, Switzerland. He was born in Switzerland and he died in Geneva. And he basically focused on children. This theory is basically focusing on children and was developed in 1936. Now I am discussing about the stages. There are 4 stages. First is the sensory-motor stage, in which the child comes under 0 to 2 years of age. Pre-operational stage, it is 2 to 7 years of age. Concrete operational, 7 to 11. Formal operational stage, 11 and 11 years and above. And this theory basically is lies on the basis of cognitive process, which is called schemas. What are schemas? Schemas, I have written here 2 points. These are basic building blocks to knowledge and to understand and respond to situations, and are divided into 3 parts: assimilation, accommodation and equilibration. Now what are these? I've written the notes and I'm going to tell you about this. Assimilation is using existing schemas to deal with the new objects. Whatever previous knowledge we are having, according to that we are dealing with the new objects. And accommodation is when existing schema needs to be changed to deal with new objects. Okay. And third is equilibration. It is a balance between previous knowledge, which is assimilation, and changing behavior on account of new knowledge. That is accommodation. Basically, this equilibration helps children in moving from one stage to another. Okay. Have a look here. Why is it not so clear? Now it is clear. Is it clear? Now moving upwards again. So we were talking about these 4 stages: sensory motor, pre-operational, concrete operational, formal operational stage, and we discussed here about these 3 in schemas. Always remember there are 3 schemas: assimilation, accommodation and equilibration. These can be asked basically in your competitive exams like CTET, and it can come in SuperTET, UPTET also. And these 4 stages are also asked there if you are preparing for them, for those competitive exams. Now coming to the sensory motor stage, here I have written it is from infant to 2 years of age. 0, instead of 0 you can write from infant to 2 years of age. Here the child begins to interact with the environment by manipulating objects, like he reflexes, actions, habits of the small child, hand-eye coordination, trial and error experiments, and they are also evenly called the little scientists also. Okay. Now we come to the pre-operational stage. Pre-operational stage is from 2 to 7 years of age. Here two headings are there. Basically, as I told you, 2 to 7 years of age. So there are two subheadings in it, like symbolic function and intuitive thought. So in the symbolic function, it's from 2 to 4 years of age. You will always see the child is able to understand, remember things, represent new things in the form of his actions, and picture objects without having them in front of him. If example, you can say, if a mother says, do you know what is an umbrella? So the child will understand it by imagining the picture of that object. And in this there is role play, egocentrism, animism, artificialism, transductive thinking, and centration vs conservation. All these come under this symbolic function. And centration vs conservation means represent the world symbolically and intuitively. Okay, through symbols and by giving some intuitive things. Now coming the intuitive thought, which is 4 years to 7 years of age. They propose questions of how and why come. All you'll find children of this stage always asking questions. They're actually anxious and curious in this stage. So, and class inclusion is also here under this. Intuitive thought comes under this. So the second stage is pre-operational stage, and all this comes under this stage. Now we are discussing about the third stage, concrete operational stage. It is between 7 to 11 years of age. It is in this stage students are able to children are able to think logically, drawing inferences through observations, and they use appropriate use of logic, understand conservation, ability to sort and classify objects, ability to think logically, ability to distinguish between thoughts and other things. Okay, so all this comes under concrete operational stage. You can understand from this word only, concrete. They are utilizing their skills logically. Now comes the fourth and the last stage. This is the formal operational stage. In this, the child begins thinking in a formal way, like ability to hypnotize, test, reevaluate hypothesis, like in the form of abstract thoughts. They can solve the problems, like problem solving, and deductive thought is developed in them. Okay. So I hope this theory, as I have made the chart of it, must have helped you in clearing your concepts about Piaget theory. I'll be coming up with more videos of other theories. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.